our aim, we will shut down this podcast once Rakhi Sawant comes on it because that is our aim.
Yeah, if she was in Canada. If we would have started it last year, then who knows?
We
Maybe
could
we
have
would have.
called her.
Yeah, we could have called her.
Boom boom, shaking up, boom 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 boom, shaking up, boom 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 boom, shaking up, boom 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 boom, shaking up.
Guys, welcome to Diva Down, which is our podcast. I'm Malika,
And I'm Ekta.
and the reason for this podcast is because we think we look hot when we yap. But um, do you want to explain why we started a podcast?
Yeah, I just wanted people to listen to us talk and listen to all the
Because we look hot
things
when
that
we talk.
yeah, that's pretty much it.
And the point of today's episode is that we are going to talk about whatever we want to talk about, but mostly
We'll decide
about
what the theme is at
Yeah.
the end of the podcast.
but mostly about like relationships and stuff.
boys, I don't know.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
not passing the Bechdel test.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we can get started. I think we can start with what is one thing that has gotten you down lately, because our podcast is called Diva Down.
Oh, I think my job.
You're supposed to
Nothing
talk
sexy.
about relationships, but
Oh, okay. Then my
okay,
boyfriend.
no, it's okay. You can say job.
Yeah, I mean, okay, we can. Oh, about
एक तरीके से, but your boss is not in a like she's not getting late. That's why.
Oh yeah,
she's-
I think that big time. Oh wait, what if someone from my work sees it? No, but okay. No, I think the reason.
I'll edit it out.
Okay, fine, but I'll still talk about it.
Or
no,
maybe
I'm
I
not getting
won't.
famous in the first podcast, so I can say this. But yeah, I think it's better to have a boss who's married or has kids because my dad always says कि इंसान को लड़ने के लिए और परेशान करने के लिए one like there needs to be one person. So
That's
if
true.
you're not married, if you don't have kids, so who do you take your frustration out on? The people who you work with. So
Yeah, then you'll be married to your work.
yeah, and it's just subconsciously because work is the only thing where you can like derive some sort of achievement from. But if you're married or
true.
you have kids, then there's other aspects to your life where you feel like you've achieved something.
और जो भी fanatic लोग होते हैं, they're usually like in multiple marriages or bad marriages. And then they, like if you see big time film directors,
Yeah,
they cheat on their wives.
yeah, they have wives of very very young. They're like 70-year-old men married to like 25-year-old
Yeah.
women.
Because they're not fulfilled in that part of their life.
Yeah,
So then they seek that from work. But I don't know. I'm not fulfilled either way. I'm not the best person to comment on this.
yes. So what has gotten you down lately?
Many things. I went on a date.
Wow, your 2026 resolution.
I went on a date on, you already know this,
Yeah, I know this, but you can repeat.
but for the audience of
The
one,
non-existing
one person who probably will watch this.
Ramya, our other roommate.
Yeah, actually Ramya doesn't know the deets, but
Yeah.
yeah, I went on a date on Thursday and it was not very good. It was not bad, but it was not very good. But he was very good looking.
Yeah, I mean,
And I usually only go on dates with rodent looking men.
yeah, it was a first for you.
Yeah,
But,
first time.
For someone who's so much into hot people, I'm surprised that this was your first date with a hot person.
No, it's like, you know how sometimes when you can't really make art, but you like looking at art.
Okay.
It's like that.
Do you want to tell why it was a bad date?
Because it wasn't a bad date. I just feel like he was a little, if he's watching this, you should know this. I also texted him on Hinge saying thank you and he hasn't replied to me.
What a shitty person.
No, I didn't even say we should do this again because I don't want to.
Yeah. Probably he understood from your vibe. Did you give him a nice vibe while saying, like, did you imply that you were going to meet again? Or you just
No, I
like-
did an awkward handshake
Oh, you did a handshake while saying bye?
Yeah.
Yeah, then he knew.
and I left.
Yeah.
But shout out to the waitress at Twilight Cafe Dundas who smiled at me when I said we should do separate checks because he did not pay, which is fine, I guess. I don't want to lose my male followers, but
I think the only kind of male followers we want are the ones who pay on a first date. And it's not even like you
That's
went
true.
to some crazy
Expensive
expensive
place.
restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was just a cafe. And by the way, it was a you tell why
No, you
the
can tell.
$6 thing, you tell it.
So as soon as we entered the cafe, he said it was a board game cafe. If you guys have been to Twilight Cafe Dundas, and he said, "Oh, board games are $6 per person." Like he just let me know about that, which kind of gave me the ick because
Firstly, it's just $6 a person. Secondly, he asked her out.
yeah,
And then if you're asking someone out, then take the charge. If it's $6, you're firstly at a board game cafe. You should be playing board games. It'll make the date so much more interesting. And
That's
you can't
true.
pay even $6 to have fun.
that's he also talked about code names, about how we can play code names, and I said, "Oh, we have that two people code names in my house."
Maybe he just wanted to come here.
But
That's why he didn't pay the $6. He just wanted to come to your house and
play code names,
yeah.
two-person code names.
Yeah.
But it was not, so I won't be seeing him again.
Yeah.
But I have my
But you will
mom,
be continuing on this journey.
maybe
Say yes.
maybe, but my mom was very worried, and she's genuinely worried, and I feel like she was very close to crying
When you told her about the
one
date.
time. No, not about
Oh,
the date,
just
just in general, about how how I am not serious about getting married. So just to keep my mom's mind at ease, if she tries to set me up with some arranged marriage hunks, I
Yeah.
will go and meet them. Speaking of arranged marriage,
Yes.
what are your thoughts on it as someone who doesn't have as someone who is not in the trenches?
Okay. Yeah. I think people should do arranged marriages. I'm a promoter. But I think you should do it in a good way. I think I only know of the arranged marriage scene in Toronto and I don't like it personally. I think they've made it very filthy.
What made it filthy?
The people who are in the arranged marriage scene, they
Boston
are not.
ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਲੜਕਾ
Yeah. Samsung auntie.
ਸਾਈਨੀ ਲੜਕੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ
Don't try.
DM ਵਿੱਚ
No, but
comment ਕਰੇ.
I feel if like I don't think arranged marriage is arranged marriage what we like what it was in our parents' generation anymore. So it's kind of like dating and being set up by your parents and then like going on dates. So I don't know anyone who has gotten a very typical arranged marriage in a very long time. So I don't know what's happening there. But I know that people here in Toronto are treating Shadi.com like Tinder and Hinge, and they're like making it really vulgar and like using it to hook up with other Indian people because it's like all these people who are in their 30s who are not able to find anyone and no one's like looking at them on Hinge, but they still have needs. So I guess they're just using Shadi.com, like abusing the app basically.
Drop the name. I know who this person is, but for our one follower watching,
Yeah.
which is probably Ramya, you also know who the person is.
But a lot of people are doing it. I
Even
wouldn't
in
be
India,
surprised.
even
Yeah.
in India, people
Yeah,
use
yeah,
Shadi.com
Yes.
to hook up. Actually, if you think about it, any app can be a hookup app if you're brave enough.
Yeah, LinkedIn.
LinkedIn is actually people do
Yeah.
hit up people on LinkedIn
Yeah.
for that, because it starts as a network, like professional chat, and then it goes into some other
I have
territory.
a very, very funny thing to tell. So, my boyfriend's brother has a friend who is like obsessed with making his career. Like, he's obsessed. So, any conversation.
Carrier.
Yeah, carrier. Any conversation he has, he tries to make it like a whole coffee chat. And then, like, one time he helped my boyfriend move, and like the first time he was meeting my boyfriend's roommates, he started asking them about like what their jobs are, how they got there in life, and like what is like one thing you would do in your career, blah 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 tips. But yeah, cut to he makes a account on Hinge or something, and then he's talking to this girl. But I think because he's so used to talking to people on LinkedIn, he goes, "If you don't mind, do you want to take this off Hinge and switch it to WhatsApp?" It's literally like telling someone you want to take this off LinkedIn and like
Circle back.
circle back. And oh my god, it was so cringe. I thought that maybe it just like gets in your veins once you're like
Yeah.
being on LinkedIn all the time. You start talking like a person who just
That's true. Even this guy that I went on a date with, he was not asking me professional questions, but he was asking me a lot of hypothetical questions, which was pissing me off because I don't want to answer them.
I like hypothetical questions, but they have to be fun. Like both options have to be equally deranged.
Yeah.
Like it has to be very
Or
crazy.
I like when I discuss hypothetical questions with
Wait, I'm not comfortable.
other people, please be comfortable.
Yes. Wait, I'm
Please be
very
comfortable on your own podcast.
Yeah. No.
But he was asking me questions like, where would you want to be stuck in a zombie apocalypse? And things like that, which in the right context is actually a fun conversation, but I'm just being picky about it.
Also, I think I have started being really suspicious of people that they are just every conversation that they're trying to have is somewhat being drawn from ChatGPT. Like he's going on ChatGPT and being
Yeah.
like, what fun questions to ask on a first date? And then
Yeah.
he's coming to you and asking. Like, I don't know if that's what a person is actually about. Like, do they really want to know my answer, or this is what ChatGPT told them to ask?
That's true. He also asked me if I've been to a farm to do apple picking and strawberry picking. तो मैंने बोला I've been to Mahabaleshwar,
Yeah.
Mapro farm.
I don't know what Mahabaleshwar
It is, shout out to the Maharashtra followers. महाबलेश्वर इज अ हिल स्टेशन
Okay.
जहाँ पे स्ट्रॉबेरी उगती है.
Okay.
वहाँ पे मैप्रो गार्डन करके एक फार्म है.
तो स्ट्रॉबेरी पिकिंग करने जाते हैं लोग वहाँ पे.
स्ट्रॉबेरी पिकिंग नहीं होती वहाँ पे, बस वो स्ट्रॉबेरी होती है, तुम उसको देखते हो और बोलते हो वाओ स्ट्रॉबेरी, बस.
Oh, okay.
तुम नहीं पिक कर सकते.
Oh, because I've been strawberry picking, so I thought it was
That
the
is
same
here
concept.
because
Yeah,
that's
but
like fancy, and Mahabaleshwar is not fancy. It's a
it's just मतलब वो एक actual farm है ऐसे, मतलब खेत है वो. ऐसे
yes
cute farm vibes.
cute farm है. I feel like Mapro is an experience you have to live.
Okay.
It's not something
When
that can be
on my
explained.
trip to Mumbai, I'll hit Mapro.
It really is otherworldly. But
Okay.
me about farms, and then I told him I have been to Khet,
Yeah.
which is not a farm, it's a Khet.
Yeah, I've also been to a cave and you've
Yeah.
seen the pictures.
So he was not very desi munda vibes. I feel like I need
Was he from India? Was he born and brought up here?
Pakistan.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Pakistan, grape.
I want to be a pilot. Great.
But he is cancelled.
Okay, yeah.
So every type of person I go on a date with, I know this is not what I want. So my pool keeps on getting narrow and narrow till it's very specific niche of one person.
Yeah.
Then I will know.
Then you will know.
But I already have a frame of reference. Zohran Mamdani.
So,
If you are watching this,
yeah, we have to do a side-by-side comparison of you and Rama Duaji and see, like,
she
who's
is
hotter.
No,
Because
I
Rama is... Oh, Malika... No,
I think
she secretly thinks that she can be Zohran Mamdani's
if
wife.
Rama was not in the picture,
Yeah,
I'm
like,
not.
she's not a homewrecker, but
Yes.
yeah, if she was not in the picture, then
Yeah, if he didn't know only about Rama, not like she died or something.
yeah. But the thing is, do you think he likes Rama because she's so nonchalant about him? But because if you were to marry him, then you would be posting
Yeah.
about him all the time, and whereas Rama is just not doing any of that, and she's just acting very like
That's true.
like a nosh baddie.
I would be like Aishwarya Mohan Raj
Oh yeah,
with her husband.
yeah.
But that's true. We would never know, would we?
Maybe you find a guy. Does he have a sibling?
No, he's an only child.
Oh no.
That's what's even hotter about him.
And
who
my
it is.
ex was an only child.
Ooh.
Yeah, they have major issues. Just issues. Like
जिसने तुम्हें भिंडी खिलाई थी?
yeah. I think this Bindi story is like known worldwide at this point. But yeah, there was this ex of mine and it was COVID and he was, so I went to his house and we were just chilling and I was like, let's order pizza. And he's like, no, my mom said I can't order from outside. And I said, why? And he said, because the packaging might have some germs in it. So I told him that, I literally told him, like, the pizza guy will leave it at the door. I'll take a sanitizer, I'll clean the box, and then I will bring it in. You don't have to touch it because I wanted to have pizza. And now I'm hungry also, so I'm just like, okay, fine. And he's like, listen, if you want pizza, I'll order you pizza on your way out. But we can't have pizza in this house. And I'm just sitting there like, and obviously you're blinded by love, so you don't think that, that's weird. Then
At
why is
that
he taking this
age-
rule that his mom made so seriously? And he was 1 year older to me also. So it's not even
Oh.
like he's younger or my age. He's 1.5 years older. So why? But then anyways, so he's like, I have some bindi at home that my mom, like my mom made lunch for me. So firstly, yeah, he made me eat bindi, and then he was like, oh, I feel bad that you had to have bindi. Wait a now I thought he'd say like, let's order dessert, because he was like, kuch meetha khate hain. And then he goes, I have some gulab jamun in the fridge. So he heats up like 2 gulab jamun.
But gulab jamun is still a decent dessert. To
Yeah,
be.
but it's not something he made an effort for. He was just feeling bad, and he just took something out of the fridge for me and then just heated up.
Imagine if he gave you bhindi and then told you dessert के लिए हम jam paratha खा सकते
Oh
हैं.
my god,
That would have been.
I hate jam paratha. I've never taken jam paratha in my lunchbox ever. I hate it.
Okay.
Yeah, like kids who would
List of
eat.
things you hate.
I thought kids who brought jam paratha to lunch, their moms didn't love them enough.
Bold assumption to make. I think there are other ways that your mom can tell you that you fucking suck.
Yeah, true. But as
Circling back.
circling back to arranged marriages.
I think that a lot of people our age, or my age at least, because I'm older, even though I don't look it, are getting married
Yeah.
left, right, and center.
Yeah.
And I think that there is some tax break that is being given that we don't know about. Because there are people in my school I went to school with, I know, I've gone to their houses, I know that they are not that rich.
Yeah.
Suddenly in 10 years, how did they become so rich?
I think marriage has become like a business in India, and what you do at your wedding is spoken about for a very long time. And because now everything is on Instagram, like people just want to show themselves as like richer or better than they actually are.
Could be.
But yeah, I think it's too much. We have to talk about the people who are being hired to make reels for the wedding. Let's talk about that.
She said yes to forever.
From praying for him to praying with him.
From university halls to walking down the aisle.
Oh my god, it's crazy. It's an actual job to to make wedding reels and like all that
Yeah.
wedding content for people, and these people are making a lot of money, and they're basically fooling us into believing that
Yeah,
this
it's
is
propaganda.
it's literally propaganda. इंडिया में तो मैरिज का उन्होंने कुछ अलग ही नेक्स्ट लेवल कर दिया है लोग.
पर मुझे लगता है पहले नहीं, ये एक ग्राफिकली देखा जाए तो इट्स लाइक दिस. Like at one point, everybody, shadi was all the rage. Then it didn't become
Yeah,
the rage.
everyone wanted to be single.
Now suddenly it's again the rage, and I don't understand what's going on. I'm pretty sure there is some
Nara Smith is the root cause. I'm telling you.
trad wife,
Trad wife.
Erica Kirk.
Erika Kirk. Yeah.
पर I do think कुछ तो टैक्स ब्रेक तो हो रहा है. मुझे ब्लैक का पैसा वाइट में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है शादियों में.
I guess so. But मैं इतना I'm not able to hate so openly on people getting married because I also want to get married soon. So, yeah, like, I don't know. But my thing
It's
is...
cringe until I do it.
Yeah.
Then it's cool.
Yeah, I'll also put one caption like from university also walking down the aisle. Because, yeah, I keep telling my boyfriend that he has to propose soon. I want a decent one. I think in Toronto is fine.
In Toronto, where?
Or like GTA. You know why? I don't want
Mississauga, Ridgeway Plaza.
Ridgeway Plaza. Eating kebabs after my proposal.
We have some intel that there are swinger parties happening in Mississauga,
Yeah. So we have this.
but we have not gone there.
Yeah. So if anyone has gone there and wants to tell us how
Yeah.
it works.
If you want to be invited and
the
give your
podcast,
experience. There is also, did you know this? On Reddit I found
What?
there is a sex club in Toronto. It's called Oasis.
I'm not surprised. I mean.
And you go and people are just doing it in public.
Yeah. I'll tell you why I want to be proposed to in GTA. My thing is, I want to be proposed to in GTA so that after the proposal, I can like have a little party with all my close friends and like show them the ring and be excited with them, because I feel if it's like somewhere else, then I'll face them and then I'll meet them after a few days and then they'll see it, but then the excitement kind of
That's true.
dies down. So I want it to be like right after it, so that we can all scream and like, you know.
That's true. That's a good.
Yeah, but I'm not counting on you to give me a good reaction, because you never you never scream or like.
But because it will not be something surprising for me. It'll be like about time. वैसा टाइप का होगा कि अच्छा
हाँ, मगर तुम नहीं देती ऐसे रिएक्शंस जैसे
वो
मैं
तो-
एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ.
वो तो जनरली मेरे हाँ
हाँ,
ये तो है
it's a problem.
पर इस चीज़ पे मैं वर्क नहीं करना चाहती.
You want to be like mysterious girl.
नॉश बैडी.
Nosh baddie. I don't think Nosh baddie is a famous thing.
It's
just-
not.
Yeah, we should explain it then.
Nosh baddie means nonchalant baddie, like Rama Duaji.
Yeah.
She also doesn't give expression.
Yeah, she just like uses her eyes.
Yeah. So if I want to be like her, if that's my goal,
Yeah.
then I'm
Yeah, she
already
also puts
halfway
kajal
there.
and like does this and this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I actually saw on TikTok Rama Duaji eye makeup. So I've been trying to do that. But what are your thoughts on forced arranged marriage like Namaste London?
I love it. It's one of my favorite movies.
I love forced arranged marriage.
No, I love it because that I feel bad for Katrina Kaif in the beginning, but then when I realized that
Jazz. Jazz
Akshay Kumar,
Kapoor.
yeah, Akshay Kumar can secretly speak English. That's when it all just like flips for me. I'm like, oh, now I know it. But
It's
no,
the IELTS score.
yeah, and he was like, also I have a thing for men being like when they're sad and like yearning basically, and Akshay Kumar does it so nicely. Like Akshay Kumar was good looking in that era, but I never had like a crush on him where I was like, wow, he's so good looking or he's so hot. But in that movie, when he's sad and like he's walking in London and like thinking about her, and she's just like hanging out with this white man.
Yeah.
And yeah, talking about forcing, this man tries to be forcefully physical with her. So
That's true.
What's worse?
Jazz. Why trying to be so Indian?
Yeah. Yeah.
And he's like some royalty or something.
Right. He just has money, and then he challenges Akshay Kumar to a rugby match. You remember that?
Yeah. And
then-
Akshay Kumar.
Yeah,
and
and Akshay Kumar beats him, and then also the scene where they talk about India. It made me like feel really good about India as well. So it was like
that's true.
I think that movie had everything. It had like heartbreak, romance, good dancing, good music, and then also patriotism. So which is like really hard to find in a movie.
It's
In that era, it was not cool being Indian,
Hmm.
and we were just obsessed with any white person, no matter.
That's true. Colonial mindset.
Yeah, so I think they captured it correctly, where children growing up there would have done anything to fit in. So from that point of view, I understand. Like if I was in that era growing up here in Canada, or like a white Caucasian country.
It captures diaspora very
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
I think.
Yeah, and your parents are trying to be like stick to your roots. It would have been like that for everyone, I guess.
That's true. I never realized Namaste London had so many layers to it. I want to come back to proposals
Sure.
for a bit. I think I'm just being a hater, but I think that when you get arranged married and then you do those proposals where it's like you're already engaged, you already put the
Oh.
like you put it on Instagram, everyone knows, but uske baad bhi you do like a proposal,
Yeah.
that's kind of counterintuitive because
You already know you're getting married. Yeah.
and then also you have to you can still do it. I understand that people want to be proposed to, but unfortunately they haven't been, and that's okay.
yeah.
But then don't act surprised because clearly you are pretending for the camera.
Right. I don't know.
तुम्हें नहीं पता था ये तुम्हें शादी करने के लिए पूछेगा जबकि तुम्हारी एंगेजमेंट हो
शादी
गई.
फिक्स हो चुकी है, जबकि डेट भी निकल
हाँ.
आई है. So no, but a lot of people are doing like someone on my feed proposed to their girlfriend like 2 days before their roke, and I'm like, we know you're like,
Yeah.
they put the engagement reel and the proposal reel, and 2 days later they're putting the roka reel. It's like,
I'm also seeing a lot of guys get down on their knees on the Varmala time.
I don't like that. I'm not for it.
Why did you have such a strong reaction?
Because I feel like firstly it'll change, like the frame should be two people like trying to do this, like,
Don't give in.
yeah, like, yeah, and no one should be like, I don't know, on their knees. I know
No one should be
on their knees during like any part, because I feel like it's weird to do it in front of so many people.
Yeah.
If it
it's
was
very
just my
weird.
friends and like very close family, if it was like 50 people in the wedding, sure, do whatever you want. But I wouldn't be comfortable with anyone, like me or the guy going down on a knee and taking the varmala. Just do it nicely, respectfully.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. The max I think I'd be okay would be like do a cheek kiss. And that's nice. That's cute, I
Yeah.
feel. Yeah.
Or like
a
forehead kiss.
Yeah.
Ooh, sweet spot.
Yeah. Also now I have seen every couple now after they do the varmala, now everyone is doing that hand lift thing where
Yeah.
they're like holding the hands and like lifting
Like
it up.
WWE.
Yeah. Do-do-do-do-do. And I,
No, like Big Boss.
yeah.
और विनर है. क्या हो रहा है यार मेरे साथ?
Shweta Tiwari. Have you
Don't do
seen
what
it?
you do with me over here.
आ जाओ क्या मैं अपनी पे?
मजाक उड़ाओगे? किसी के पास ब्रांड नहीं है तो?
What do you think of Big Boss? Did you have you watched any seasons?
I have watched the Gauhar Khan one. Shout
And-
out to Gauhar Khan.
She was a baddie.
बेस्ट सीजन. कुशाल नीचे उतरो. खाना खाओ कुशाल. कुशाल तुमने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया. चलो
Yeah.
खा लो.
But also, like, when I think of it, she was investing so much into this shitty man
Yeah.
who was just like going around beating people for no good reason and just
Kushal
like
was
taking a stand for
really
nothing.
bad.
Yeah, didn't he leave? He started climbing the wall.
तभी तो
and
she
then-
told him
yeah.
कुशाल please नीचे उतरो.
Yeah.
कुशाल.
And she's crying and she's like, please.
And she's turning to the camera. Big Boss कुशाल की कोई गलती नहीं है. Please आप उसे कुछ मत करें Big Boss.
It's like in school when this like good topper girl falls in love
Yeah.
with this like really chapri boy and she's trying to protect,
Fix him.
yeah, fix him and like trying to be like telling all the teachers, you know, he's trying really hard, ma'am.
Yeah. I think this starts young.
Yeah.
This starts, you know, when teachers put like this rat ass useless dumb
Oh.
people next to like topper people,
Yeah,
just so
ki
that the
you
topper
help.
girl can
It has-
osmosis of her energy
This has
into this
happened to
guy.
me.
This has happened to me also.
One time I got really okay, fine, I'll tell you. One time my teacher made me sit with this guy who was like basically a loser. But I don't know. I don't know him that well. And this was when I was in 3rd grade. So maybe when I grew up, I realized that he has some problem also. But he was highly unhygienic. He would be sucking his thumb all the time. Like all the time, his thumb would be in his mouth. And then the whole, like we used to share a table. It's like 2 people on the same table sort of thing.
Yeah.
And then my entire table would be full of saliva.
Yuck.
And then he would just like leave his things over there. He would put everything in his mouth. It was disgusting. And then I asked my teacher if you can change my seat. And I even got my mom to write a note for me in the school diary. But my teacher's like, no, you are being... The teacher started giving me shit that I am a bad person because I don't want to sit with someone who's not doing well academically. But academics was not even the problem.
Yeah.
Like, it was the saliva. One time, and this guy kept annoying me. You know, guys have this
This
really...
is a good cold open. Academics was not even a problem. It is the saliva.
So I got one time, I was really mad at him, and I had like decent... I didn't have long nails, but I had some nails. And then I just like dug my nails into his skin, and then...
Love that.
Yeah, I mean,
I
his
love
class of- yeah.
when
He
women
was hurt.
resort to violence as a way of getting their point across.
But-
I
yeah.
think it's okay to say mean things to men even if you know they are sensitive to it.
Now I do it all the time.
I think it builds character for them because life is going to throw so much more worse things at them.
Yeah, like they're always saying you have so much pressure and also...
I am an empath for men.
Explain. Just
I want
explain.
them to be equipped with resources
The right tools.
that they can excel in life.
Yeah.
So that's why I talk to them rudely because in their life people are going to talk to them like that. So they should be prepared.
Yeah. If their boss is being mean to them, they're like, what the fuck, Malika just like shouted at
Yeah.
me last week, so I can take this easily.
It's like a vaccine.
Yeah.
You have to put the virus little bit in your body, then your antibodies will develop to fight it.
Tell
That's-
every man to gay hai kya?
Yeah. Tiger Shroff might be gay.
Why?
There is no proof I have for
I
this.
thought this was some Reddit thing.
No, I just feel like he might be.
At this point, I feel like any man could be gay because no one's coming out. Someone has to be.
That's true.
Because I was telling Malika the other day that, you know how here in Hollywood or like other film industries, there's gay actors, there's like gay people in all the different genres of whatever. And in India, we don't have any. Like, I don't know anyone who's like openly gay. Do we even have a gay influence? Like, we have some gay influencers.
Yeah,
we have
influencers, a lot
yeah,
of them.
yeah, influencers gay, yes, but no actor.
Yeah,
Even
nobody.
the OTT actors, I don't think any of them have come out, but I'm sure someone is because there's so many.
Yeah, nobody like outrightly who is very much in the public eye has come out as
Yeah,
gay. Now
but
that I
Ibrahim
think
Ali
of
Khan
it.
might be bisexual as per Reddit.
With Ori.
Yeah.
Ori is gay.
Yeah, Ori is, but Ori is more of an influencer. He's not an actor. He was like, oh, he became famous while being himself. So he never like showed himself as a straight guy.
He was
and then-
never always famous and then came out.
Yeah. He just like grew to fame
Yeah.
as he was.
That's true. If a already famous person comes out, that would help a lot of people, I think.
Yeah. Who do you think
come
should come out? Like if
Karan Johar, now enough.
I think he has like he says things like he's also, I think we are also thinking that coming out means that making one post on Instagram. But he has said things that insinuate that he's gay in multiple shows.
Yeah, everybody in the inner circle though knows he's gay.
Nobody said on TV also, like things like that, like, oh, I will never get married because blah blah blah. Like he said things, and like his friends also on Coffee with Karan would insinuate he's gay. So I think it's
I
fine.
think I may have burped into the mic.
We'll all find out how that sounds like.
Like Alia Bhatt in Coffee with Karan.
Yeah. What are your thoughts on Alia Bhatt as a wife?
As a wife,
Yeah, that's because as an actor, I know you'll say she's nice, which I agree. She's a very good actor. But as a wife is what I want to know.
she is a little. I have heard this from some sources that Ranbir is a really good friend. Like he's very chill and he's very nice to hang out with. But he's not the best boyfriend, is what I've heard from people.
I don't need to hear it from people to know this.
And there are also these, like in all interviews and stuff, when people ask who gossips the most, everyone says Ranbir. But then in one interview, Alia's like, Ranbir never gossips. He never does that. So she's,
I think she does. He doesn't gossip with her.
yeah,
He's gossiping with everyone else.
that could be.
Yeah.
She's like, क्या बात कर रहे हो? कुछ नहीं.
तुझे-
कुछ नहीं आलिया, मैं बस अयान से बोल रहा था कि ब्रह्मास्त्र की स्क्रिप्ट कहाँ जा रही है. और फिर आलिया चली जाती है, पता है करीना ने आज क्या किया.
No, but
तैमूर को लाफा
some
मार
men
दिया.
like to give this very like manly energy in front of their wives or
That's true.
girlfriends. Like they want to be like, oh, हम तो ऐसी कोई मस्ती नहीं करते, हम कोई बात नहीं करते. We're always with a serious face. We don't laugh. Like some men like to do that. They think that it's
It could be.
yeah.
Because how is everyone saying that Ranbir gossips?
Yeah.
And then she's like, Ranbir doesn't gossip.
But I'd be very offended if my husband doesn't tell me the gossip. Like I'd
Yeah.
be like, I'll take it very personally.
That too of one of the most gossip heavy industries.
Yeah. I need to know everything.
And you personally know everyone. And usme now your husband is not gossiping with you.
Mm.
He is a good guy. I'm sure. He seems like he's a good father
Yeah.
to Raha.
Yeah. He's always carrying her. It's
Yeah.
sweet.
But I feel like Alia is probably a little blinded to.
Also, I think if you're dating someone who's 10 years older than you, then you are sort of subconsciously, even though like they are not grooming you or anything, but you just think that because they're older than you,
They know more. Yeah.
and they know better. So you just naturally tend to believe
Yeah.
what they're saying.
There is a little bit of power imbalance.
Yeah.
That's true. Do you think that would be there in Nick John? Nick John and PC.
Not everyone knows. I think,
Nick John is Nick Jonas.
yeah, as per Rakhi Sawant.
Yes.
I don't think PC and Nick Jonas have that. No, maybe they do actually, because I feel that Nick Jonas does adore her a lot and kind of. And PC is a like a boss woman, a
She's
boss bitch
type
kind of.
A type.
Yeah, and I like that. If a woman is being the
Power holder.
power holder and she's
Yeah.
driving the relationship, I think it's amazing. That,
I agree.
yeah.
The power in one movie that I watched called Ghosts of Girlfriends Past.
Oh, I love that movie.
Even I love that movie.
Such a nonsense movie, but I love
I
it.
love it. I
Yeah.
love Matthew McConaughey rom-coms. Matthew McConaughey, if you're watching this,
Yeah, you should do one again, and we will still remember that you can do good serious acting, but
yeah.
you need a rom-com at this point.
How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days का modern version भी हो सकता है क्योंकि अभी तो really you can lose a guy in 10 days. You don't need to. It's not something you need to do. Like it's not like in the
whole guy,
movie.
it's a default. It's like
Yeah.
how to keep a guy after 10 days.
Yeah.
It should be the
It's anyway in the movie she has to go out of her way to. Also, he has an agenda to make her fall in love with him.
yeah.
But अभी तो by default ही हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
तो ये एक modern lens से ये rom-com
Yeah, and Matthew
It
McConaughey
can be
कर
made
सकता है,
again.
like with a little bit mature romance, obviously. Now.
yeah.
Yeah.
Or he can be the dad and his. But that kind of
No,
throws me off when.
No, but what were you saying about Ghost of Girlfriends Past?
In that there is a dialogue where he says the power in the relationship lies with the person who cares less.
Yeah,
So
I fully agree with it, and I
Yeah.
feel like everyone should be the one who cares less.
I do agree, but that's actually a little filmmaking lesson for everyone. That's actually the movie's thesis, is that the power of the relationship lies with someone who cares less, and that's the idea that the central character, which is Matthew McConaughey, agrees with initially, and then through the movie he has these experiences where he realizes that yes, that is true, but love is not about power.
Yes.
So that's the antithesis where the character has a journey from going from one realization to the other. So I don't know why I said this, but
No, but I'm thinking that, but I don't think you will ever.
yeah, I am power hungry.
Yeah.
Like Kim Jong-un's daughter, who got called her, who is his successor.
Yeah.
I think it's about time we had a female dictator.
Yeah. Would you? But what if she's evil? Would you be okay with that?
No. But I mean, if she's killing people, no. But
Then why do you want a female dictator?
I just feel like women should be in male-dominated fields.
So they should be a dictator. I mean,
I have, in my mind, I have dictator energy.
yeah.
But because I don't have a boyfriend, I don't have an outlet to show you guys how bad I can be.
So then make one, na? Just acting
A subject.
a subject, a muse. You can make his life better.
An oppressee. I am the oppressor.
Yeah, little bit power. I feel there should be. If the power is in the girl's hand, then there should be a power dynamic in the relationship. Otherwise, not is my thing.
Yeah.
Because girls will misuse it in a very fun way. Like they will not be like, "Tu meri mummy ke liye roti bana." Like that will never be there.
Yeah.
That is not how they will use their power, unless they're like outrightly evil or something. They will like do something evil. But I'm saying
True.
on a general level, they will be most likely they'll be like insult you in public a little bit.
Call you gay.
Call you gay, or like just stuff like that, or make you like pick you up and drop you off everywhere, that sort of thing. A little bit slavery. But not
Yeah.
like just be like ghar pe baith and roti bana kind of thing.
That's
Whereas if
true.
men have power, the first thing first thing that comes to their mind is
It's like disrespect. Not disrespect, actually. It's like maze wala.
maze wala, like masti.
What are your parting thoughts? I think we have talked enough.
I think we have talked about too many things. I don't know
Yeah.
what the next podcast is going to be about. I think we have talked about everything.
Next episode we will see. For one person who is watching,
Yeah.
what do you think we
I
should talk
hope
about?
10 people watch this podcast, and that will like motivate me to 10 people, I think.
Yeah, 10
because we'll
people can
ask
watch.
people. Oh my god.
Comment what you think we should talk about, and we will talk about that.
Yeah.
And if you think we should do some research on that, we can do that. We
Yeah.
have access to the internet.
Yeah. I think we can, and if there's anything like immigrant specific that we should be
Yeah.
talking about, we
Ooh,
can
that
do
is a
that
good-
too. Yeah.
We're
Make
just
it as a brown
brainstorming.
girl.
On camera.
So people know how our brain works.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but closing thoughts. No, I think it was a really fun episode. I
Yeah.
think it was.
And we should get more guests
Yeah,
to
other
talk about
girls.
their experiences, other girls, and maybe some guys whose opinions we want to hear, but that's rarely ever happens, so we'll see.
Yeah.
But on parting thoughts, I think that the wedding industry is not going to change, and we just have to suck it up and deal with it.
Yeah, and I think that on some level we are also going to like do some of the things that everyone's doing. So
Yeah.
don't hold us to our words. Forget about it. We're just like throwing our opinions out there and then
And
forgetting about them.
it can change also.
Yeah, we are not rigid people.
And if you want to give us hate or racism, you can give us in the form of cash.
Yes, and we will eat chicken tikka masala.
You can throw money at our faces.
Yeah, we'll eat chicken tikka
ये ले
masala with that.
गरीब 3 गुना लगान.
Yeah,
पर
we are ready to be colonized again.
हाँ,
हाँ.
हम शायद पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं क्योंकि हम इंडिया में नहीं है, लेकिन वो हम डिसाइड करेंगे बाद में. And if you liked it, please subscribe
Like, share,
to our
and
channel
subscribe. That's what everyone says.
and comment.
And comment also. But only good comments, no hate comments. We're just too new to take the hate. Once we're famous, then give us all the hate.
Yeah, we are so hot. We don't deserve this.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.